TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday morning. We got 30 minutes to go until the start of trading, and right now we have markets pretty calm to kick things off. All the indices climbing into the red in the last few minutes, but tame action so far to kick things off with the S&Ps negative by just 1 point at 4212. NASDAQ 100 negative by 2 points at 14,127. You see the little bit of a sell-off in the last hour. We have the NASDAQ 100 up at about 14,177. You had the S&Ps in that time just over 4220, call it 4222, giving up about 9 points in the last hour in the S&Ps. Dow giving up about 15 points on the session right now, 33,746. You see the highs we are at in terms of where we were yesterday. How about from 32,902 in the Dow actually make a high yesterday of 33,866. You're talking about almost 1,000 points. Remarkable action. We're going to jump over to the 10-year note. You want to talk about remarkable action. We'll pull that up in a moment. Bitcoin catching a lot of headlines this morning, probably deservedly so, breaking the 30,000 mark for the first time in a while. We're at 29,915. You put Bitcoin on a daily. How about giving it all back from the run that we had on January 27th? That's a 100% retracement, folks. From a price point of 30,000, you trade up to 65,520. They push out the Coinbase IPO exactly on April 14th. Never forget the day Coinbase goes public, folks. You just have to pull up the futures chart of Bitcoin, peg it on that chart. We've given up more than 50% of that. Let's jump over to Coinbase this morning. Coinbase down about another $7 from their action overnight as cryptos trade lower, and it's across the board, whether it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, all of them trading lower this morning. Back to real life with commodities. We got gold contract down about $8, $17.74. Gold continuing to struggle. We got silver down 20 cents. How about crude? Look at that acceleration overnight. $73.36. We give it up a bit. Still crude, negative 20 cents. But you're talking about right near $73 for the price of crude. Excuse me, and notes and bonds. So there's the action yesterday. Remarkable. 132.30, and just like that, you traded down to 132. You're talking about a full point, folks. Let's jump over to the action. We got Chairman Powell. He's going to be out there today, 2 p.m. Eastern time. He'll be in front of Congress. He'll be talking about his inflationary goals. We'll see how that shakes out in a big way. And that 10-year, I'm going to pull it up. Yeah, how about going from yesterday? We had a yield at one point. I'm going to pull it up in the show. We had a yield at that high of 1.35%. We finished today at 1.5%. Biggest move since February. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right